Eastern Europe. I work as a computer magazine editor. This here is my magazine. And photography is my passion. I travel a lot and make all sorts of photos. However, I'm especially passionate about a handful of my favorite motifs. One of them is eerie solitude of empty, abandoned places. Locations that were formerly inhabited or used by people, but now lay abandoned. I want to publish a book of my best photographs of abandoned places from all over the world. These are not just your regular run-of-the-mill abandoned houses. Each and every location in the book has a story to tell. Some of these places are easy to get to, some require long preparations, meticulous planning, considerable cost and significant risk. The book is under the working title Without People, and it looks like some weird postscript to human civilization. It's incomplete, but it looks absolutely great. So far only on my PC though. Without People is just the first part of the planned photo book trilogy. The second book in the series has working title Expiations, and it will feature my favorite photos of religious temples from basically all major and some minor world religions. The third book in the trilogy will be about the sea. Everybody loves the sea, but to get there I need to make my first two books successful. And that's the tricky part. To do this, I need your help. By streamlining the production process, I managed to cut the cost considerably and can do a beautiful book for a relatively modest sum of money. Thank you very much for your contribution.